The reason for the frames is that there's two reasons. Where you got between splitting rooms, underneath they have to have a stopper here, and it's the reason is that if there was a fire in the house, the fire, and it's the same with the ceiling, the fire wouldn't flip under the floorboard into the next room. So I mean, on a wooden house, if a fire took place, we're talking minutes before it would burn down. It really is minutes. So to stop the flames flicking under the wall into the next room might give you vital seconds for you to get out that property and survive it. It's a vital thing. You see a lot of properties where they're building them now and they're not putting these pieces to separate the rooms off, and basically if there's a fire in one room, it goes straight on the floor or over the top into the ceiling and straight into the next one. So you've got to have these cut-offs in to separate the rooms off. In this case, there's one here running across where the this boiler room will be. That has to be cut off, and then this is the kitchen area, is one piece, so that doesn't need anything. This is going to be the bedroom, so it's got to be a cut off there, cut off there. Again, from the bedroom to the main lounge or living room, I'm not sure what you would call that in English, lounge or a living room, I suppose. Maybe somebody can tell me that in the comments. And you're noticing just in there, that's a Spalnik bedroom. Spalnik way sleep, or yeah, sleep. And then here is going to be a walk-in wardrobe, and this is the bathroom and toilet in there, and then another bedroom here. So these have to be separated off between each wall underneath. Where the wall comes down underneath has to be separated. So the flame, if there's a fire, it can't flick under it. And if you look at this, we've got a 3D model here, which well, depends in a way. So it goes this way around. So you can imagine that's where the terrace is going to be, and that's where the other terrace is going to be. And even on this, hold on. Yeah, they're drawing it that way on, but it's okay if the terrace is that way on. But here again, where the rooms are separated, you've got to have this underneath to stop flames if there's a fire jumping into the next room. It's a very important consideration that under a wall, in the floor, there has to be this separation in. It's got to be in there. If somebody's building your property and they haven't got that in there, you should be questioning why not, and get it put in. It's a simple thing, and it gives you a few seconds in the event of a fire. God help us if there was a fire and you couldn't get out, or you didn't detect it in time.